Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'm going to be showing you how to set up break reminders on the YouTube app. But before I do that, please don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel. Okay, so first open up the YouTube app on your mobile device and sign into your account. Then tap on your profile icon in the top right hand corner of the screen. And then next tap on time watched about halfway down. Then scroll down and then you get to the option that says tools to manage your YouTube time. So where it says remind me to take a break, toggle that one on, and then you can set the reminder frequency. So if you want to be reminded every 45 minutes to take a break, you set the hours to 0 and then set the minutes to 45 and then tap on done. So YouTube will then give me a reminder every 45 minutes which will remind me to take a break and put the phone down for a little while. And that's all it takes to set up screen time reminders on the YouTube app. If you found this video helpful, I'd love it if you like this video and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching.